Mortals, you know my name, Kratos. I have walked through fire and blood, and my story is written in the scars I bear. My voice is not one of idle judgment, but of hard-won truth. For years, I waged war against gods, toppled tyrants, and forged my own destiny. I have seen kingdoms rise and fall, witnessed the folly of men who placed their faith in those who stood above them. I have seen what it means to worship false idols, what it costs, and how hollow it can be. The devotion, the sacrifice, the blind hope that something greater will save you from your own struggles. It is a cycle as old as time. Yet now, in your world, I see a new kind of worship. You call them celebrities, entertainers. You gather in crowds, desperate for a glimpse, a touch, a moment in their presence. You raise them up, sing their praises, defend them with a fury I once reserved for battle. But why? They are not gods. They are not immortal. Their power is not born of divinity, but of your attention. They are men and women, flesh, bone, blood, just like you. Admire their skill, yes. Recognize their achievements, for talent and hard work deserve acknowledgement. Respect their craft, if you must. But to worship them, to place them on pedestals so high that you forget your own worth, that is a path to emptiness. To defend their every move as if it were law, that is foolishness. You become blind to their flaws, and in doing so, you lose sight of your own values. When someone dares to question your idols, you lash out. You fight their battles as if your own honor is at stake, forgetting that your loyalty is misplaced. You speak of their power, their riches as if money makes them divine. You measure greatness by gold and fame, not by character or courage. You compare yourself to them, as if you are lesser for not having what they have. You let envy poison your heart, forgetting that true strength is not found in possessions. Do you not see the trap? The more you chase their lives, the further you drift from your own purpose. You call yourselves men, warriors even. Yet you act like cheerleaders, quick to defend those who do not know you, who do not care about your existence. You surrender your pride for a fleeting sense of belonging. You follow them like lost pups, hoping for a scrap of their attention. You trade your own story for a place in theirs, even if it is only in your mind. But they will not see you. Their gaze is fixed on the next stage, the next conquest, the next applause. They will not remember your name. Your devotion is a whisper lost in the roar of the crowd. I have slain gods, and I have lost everything. I have knelt in the ashes of my own mistakes, searching for meaning. I know what it is to kneel before something greater, only to realize the truth. That greatness is not given, but earned, and even the mighty can fall. There are no perfect beings, no untouchable heroes. Every legend has its flaws. Every champion has known defeat. Not even the gods. Their power was never absolute, and their stories ended in ruin. Your celebrities, they are fallible. They stumble in the light, and their secrets are revealed in the darkness. They stumble, they break, they falter under pressure, and sometimes they fall harder than any mortal. They bleed, just as you do. Their pain is real, their failures are many, and their victories are fleeting. Idolizing them will not make you stronger. It will not fill the emptiness inside you, nor will it give you purpose. It will only weaken you, make you forget your own worth. Stand on your own. Forge your own legend. Let your actions speak for you, not your adoration of others. Let respect be earned, not worshipped. Honor those who inspire you, but do not surrender your soul to them. Do not give power to those who do not deserve it. Your loyalty is a gift. Do not waste it on those who would not bleed for you. Remember, every idol can fall. The higher you raise them, the harder they will crash to earth. This is your warning from the ghost of Sparta. Stop the idol worship. Reclaim your strength, your pride, your destiny. Be your own champion. The only legend worth living is the one you forge for yourself.